Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and preparing the device. Back up everything, because unlocking and flashing erase user data. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can communicate with the phone. Then find the OEM-specific bootloader unlock command, usually fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock. Use the factory key or OEM token if required. Once you issue the unlock, confirm on the device screen and wait for the bootloader to fully unlock before moving to the next phase. Now you flash the new Android version. First, ensure you downloaded the exact factory or custom ROM image for your model and variant and verified checksums. Boot into fastboot mode and connect over USB. Use the latest Android platform tools to avoid protocol mismatches. Flash partitions in the recommended order, boot, vendor, system, and user data if needed, using fastboot flash commands. If an installer script is provided, run it, and watch for error codes. Once flashing completes, reboot to recovery for first-run optimizations. Complete the process by performing first boot maintenance and validating stability. When the device boots, go into recovery and wipe cache in Dalvik so the system rebuilds optimized binaries. Make sure to factory reset only if you face boot loops. Reinstall Google Apps or restore your backup data carefully. If something goes wrong, check a DB logcat and recovery logs for errors and confirm partition images match device variant. As a last resort, reflash the original factory image or seek OEM unlock tokens to recover a bricked device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.